Alright, so Google has dropped something big, Veo 3.1. And now, if you are wondering what the hype is all about, this is a Google's newest AI video model, and from what we are seeing, it's shaping up to be a real game changer. Maybe even a direct rival to the OpenAI Sora 2. Let's start the video with breaking it down in simple words. So, Veo 3 is basically Google's text-to-video model. You just type a prompt and it creates a realistic video out of it. With version 3.1, Google is pushing it even further. It expected to show up inside the Gemini app and Google's AI Studio, which are Google's main AI platform for both the regular user and developer. In short, you will soon be able to make videos straight inside the Google's own AI tool. Now, how did people find out? Well, it all started when the Logan Kilpatrick from Google posted just one word on X, VEO. That's a single tweet set off a chain reaction. Within hours, we saw multiple posts confirming that the Veo 3.1 was rolling out, including mention of two new models, Veo 3.1 Generate Preview and Veo 3.1 Fast Generate Preview. And even crazier, a platform called Flowith came to be the first to have Veo 3.1 live and ready to test. Okay, now let's talk about the update. What actually is new here? First, longer videos. Earlier, Veo could only make about 8 seconds of clip, but with Veo 3.1, Google might be extended that to about 30 seconds. That's a big deal because it means more storytelling and the more cinematic potential. Second, better visual quality. The standard mode gives you the high quality detail output, while the fast mode is for quicker but slightly lower quality result. So you can pick the speed over quality depend on your project. And third, new audio feature. They are saying Google is experimenting with sound support, meaning we could soon get AI videos with synced audio's right building. That's something that his creator has been looking forward. Okay, now here's the exciting part. Veo 3.1 is officially live and ready to use. If you are using Google Flow, you can already see it in the new model auction. Veo 3.1 Fast and Veo 3.1 Quality both marked with beta audio. That means Google is not improving the visual but also started rolling out built-in audio generation. Still in beta, but it's there. If you look closely, you will notice that the Veo 2 is now showing a support and soon level. Yep, Google is phasing out the older model and moving everyone to the Veo 3.1. So in simple words, Veo 3.1 is live right now on Google Flow with new audio feature, fast generation and clear sign that the older version are about to retire. So what is Google's strategy here? Basically, to make Gemini the center of everything AI. They want one workplace where you can do everything, text, image, code and now video generation. And Veo 3.1 play a big part in that. It's Google's move to close the gap with competitors like OpenAI Sora 2, and honestly, earlier demos show it pretty close in the term of realism and motion quality. So yeah, Veo 3.1 is not just another update, it's Google's biggest step into the future of AI-powered filmmaking. From longer clip to the better visuals and potential audios, this model looks like it's going to shake up the creative world. What do you think? Can Veo 3.1 beat the Soras 2? Let me know your thought in the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates like this.